We will not present an episode of Elmo's World. I get my shit straight. Whoa, my hood. Guys, hello. Oh my God. Thank you for coming to my show. I love you. We will now ask babies how to use computer. Baby, how do you use your computer? Oh my God, baby. Oh my God. Really? That's how you use your computer? Do it, everybody. Do it. Shut up, baby. You're so stupid. I'll kill you. Oh, baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I am your friend. I love you, baby. I love you. Hi, baby. Okay, we will now ask baby how to use a doll. Let's go grab a doll. Here's the doll. Oh, sorry, too big for my body. Hello, baby. How do you want to use your doll? Huh? You like computer better? Oh, no. Let's see what page. Oh, MySpace. Look, she's on MySpace. Baby, you like going to MySpace? Oh, baby, what does that mean? Shut up and go? Yeah?